Hey guys, welcome back Napsipati, and today I'll be showing you step by step on how to link your blog or your YouTube channel or maybe your website to Google AdSense. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, now I'm in the official page of Google AdSense. You can come here from the link in the description below, or else go to Google and then search for Google AdSense. And then as soon as you come here, you'll see a man playing a guitar and their motto, which we value your content. I'm not sure whether that's their motto, but I think that's their motto. And then under that, as a caption, they say that creating content takes time, makes it profitable soon. So guys, the profitable part is the most important part in this website, as it describes the use of this website. So guys, basically Google AdSense is a website where it allows you to earn money online using your YouTube channel, website, and then also blog. So guys, the simplest way you can make money online from your YouTube channel is that if you have 1K subs and 4,000 hour watch time, then you can connect your YouTube channel with your Google AdSense and then earn money. So guys, the way you can earn money from YouTube is that the number of times Google AdSense recommends your ads on your YouTube channel, that means you will earn up to, I think, $0.2 per view. Not sure about that. I'll do some research and then tell you guys the exact amount you earn in my next video, which will be a short about how much money you earn from Google AdSense, as I told you in one of my previous shorts, but I couldn't do that as I didn't have time. So guys, you might be wondering why I'm talking too fast, and that the reason is that there are many points that I should tell within this video, but within 5 minutes. And then if I exceed 5 minutes, that means people get bored and then says this video is trash, those kind of stuff. So that's why I'm talking a bit fast. Don't comment down below that I'm very fast. So I'm Sonic and then it's irritating. So guys, as you can see from the title, it's on how to connect your website or your YouTube channel or else your blog to AdSense. So as I already have a Google AdSense account, I might click sign in, but to show you guys what happens when you click on the button get started, I'm gonna click it. So basically guys, get started button is also known as signing up. So guys, here you can paste the URL of your website. So I'm gonna simply go to Google and then go to my YouTube channel, which only has 14 subscribers. That's a shame. So now I'm going to copy the URL and then paste it here. So guys, it's here now. So then I can type in my my Gmail. So now I am here, and then you can click on. So there are 2 points that you need to know before signing up for AdSense, and the first one is get help AdSense into info at the email address. And then sorry if I'm blurring my gmail because it's for privacy purpose. So guys, so now I'm going to click on yes as I need help, but for you it's no. No, I'm going to click no because I already have an account and I know what's going to happen next. So guys, you can click no as I'll be teaching you step by step on how to do that. So now I'm not gonna click save and continue. I'm gonna go to the previous page and then click on sign in. So guys, as I'm already signed in, I took 32 takes before doing this one, as it was a bit hard because I bought a new setup for my for my table for YouTube, and then I moved in to a different place. A different place in my house, not a new house. I may be moving in my next video, which will be in another 10 years maybe, because I only have 14 subs and then I don't earn money. That's the reason. So guys, now I'm in my account. So then the thing is that I previously added my blog. This is the blog name, but it doesn't have the issue. It violates the Google AdSense privacy. So they have told it right here, and then they have sent a message, please fix the issues we found so we can proceed with connecting our site. The thing is that I don't get many views in my blog, so that's the reason. I'm not very famous, but I'm famous on Twitter and then Quora and Reddit. I think that's my niche. I also like doing YouTube videos, but I don't get more views. maybe I'll get more views from another year. So if you want to add another link, I mean another website URL, simply click on here. Or else, if you know how to make the, I mean if you think that Google AdSense is wrong, then you can click here and then submit an application. But I think Google AdSense is right because I don't get much views, and so I'll be adding another URL that which will be my YouTube channel, and then submit application. But then as soon as I click that, a light box will appear because they say that the provided domain, wait a second guys, I'm going to show it to you again. Before it happened, but today I don't know, the provided domain is please choose a domain that you own. So guys, the thing is that to earn money on YouTube, you should start a fresh account, or else maybe there's another way. So I'll be doing that in another short, but this is not a short, this is a normal video. So guys, the thing is that to paste here, you need to add your own, you need to add your own domain, which you have to buy for $12 per year. You have to pay for it, or else you can buy it for only for $1 and $2, maybe $1 to $2. I think the website is godaddy.com, or else another website, I can't remember, but I'll put the link in the description below. By the way, I'm not sponsored, this video is not sponsored. How can I get sponsors? Well, I have only 14 subs. So guys, that's it. Watch my next video to learn about how much money you can make using Google AdSense.